Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is allotropes of carbon, the same atom but very different structures. Diamond, graphite, graphene. By the end of this video, you'll know how rearranging carbon completely changes its properties. Allotropes are different structural forms of the same element. Carbon has several. Diamond, each carbon is bonded to 4 others in 3 dimensions and is extremely hard. Graphite, each carbon is bonded to 3 others in layers, so it's slippery and conducts electricity. And graphene, a single sheet of graphite, thin, strong, conducting. 3 things. 1. Same element, same chemistry, only the structure differs. 2. Diamond has 4 bonds per atom. Graphite has 3. 3. Only graphite and graphene conduct electricity because that 4th electron per carbon is free to move. Common slip. Thinking diamond conducts like graphite. It doesn't. In diamond, all 4 outer electrons are tied up in bonds. None are free. Graphite has 3 bonds per atom, so 1 electron is delocalized, and that's what allows conduction. Quick example. Diamond is used for drill tips because it's the hardest material around. Graphite is in pencil leads because the layers slide off easily onto paper. Graphene, 1 atom thick, hundreds of times stronger than steel, is the future of electronics. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, biology, physics and chemistry. 1 for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.